What's it like watching someone join the team and develop over time?
It's very rewarding. One of the things that I wanted to get into, even starting the organization and doing freelance work, was to teach. But a lot of things that I loved about teaching, I've been able to experience as part of hiring in different individuals into the organization and helping them grow. You look at any of the LinkedIn profiles of the people on the staff, you can see a lot of them have moved up in the organization.
You have a lot of team outings and get-togethers as well. What does that look like?
So we try to have, at least a quarterly outing where we meet up and we do something fun. We don't work on Halloween. We basically go to a bowling alley and we have a water pong tournament. We have trophies for the Halloween costume contest winners, and it's pretty serious. We have our annual golf scramble where nobody's really good here at golf. That also has a theme. There's always this consistent thing of teams, costumes, trophies. It just really gets silly, and it's more for just it's for the team, but it's also just to have fun.
It seems in some ways that you've got your own kind of marketing university happening here. I'm really curious, where does your love of teaching and mentoring come from?
Yeah, I always try to help people as much as I can. I had a lot of help on my way to get here, and there were several key individuals, many of them were professors, that did stuff that most people wouldn't do, going above and beyond and providing extra guidance that really helped me get to where I'm at. So I always kind of remember that in the back of my mind.